Welcome back to 6-Minute Math, where we turn confusion into clarity 6 minutes at a time. Thank you for joining us today for our video on finding surface area of triangular prisms. Ring that bell to get notified of more 6-minute videos, including how to find the surface area of multiple three-dimensional objects. We do not have a lot of time in 6 minutes, so here we go. Our key points about surface area is that the surface area is the area covering the outside of a three-dimensional object. I like to look at surface area as a question of, if you were to paint this object, how much area would you have to paint? To find our surface area, we are going to calculate the area of each of the sides of that three-dimensional object and then add them all together. Quick reminder here that all surface area is given in the form of whatever unit they give you squared. So let's look at an example here of this triangular prism. To find my surface area, I am going to need to find my triangles plus the rectangles, and that includes the base and both sides. So let's do that for this example. To find the triangles, we're going to do base times height divided by 2. That would be 6 times 4. So the area of one triangle is 12. There are 2 triangles in this triangular prism, so we're going to multiply that by 2. So the area of my triangles is 24. Then I'm going to find the area of my base. That would be 6 times 7. It is a rectangle, so we do length times width. We have 7 times 6, and that is 42. So I'm going to put that in for my base. And then I need to find the sides. To find the sides, we still have rectangles, so we're going length times width, which is 7 times 5. One of those rectangles is 35. And both of those rectangles are the same as given by these hash marks. So I'm going to multiply that by 2. And both sides is equal to 70. And then to find total surface area, I would add these up. 24 plus 42 plus 70 is 136. A simplified version of surface area of a triangular prism is simply the area of the triangles plus the area of the rectangles. So let's do some examples. We're going to find the surface area of the following triangular prism, and I have my surface area formula, and I've split it up into triangles and rectangles. So let's do the triangles here. We have a height of 3 and a base of 6. So we go base times height divided by 2. That would be 6 times 3 divided by 2. That is equal to 9. And there's 2 triangles, so I'm going to multiply that by 2 for 18. And then I have 3 different rectangles here. So let's do the yellow one, which is my bottom. That's going to be 8 times 6. So all my rectangles are length times width. We have 8 times 6 is 48. Let's do the red one here. That one is going to be 4 times 8. So let's do 8 times 4, and that's 32. And then my last one, it's going to be kind of hard to see here in green, but it's going to be 8 times 5. And that is equal to 40. I am then going to add up all of these. So we have 18, 48, 32, and 40. And when I add those all up, my total surface area is going to be 138 meters squared. On to the last example here. we have the following wedge, which is a triangular prism, and we're still going to do the same process. So let's do our triangles first. We have our base and our height of 12 and 5. So we have 12 times 5 divided by 2. That is equal to 30. And there's 2 triangles, so that is going to give us 60. We have 3 different rectangles here, so let's do the back side, which is going to be 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50. Then let's do the bottom. We're doing it in blue. We have 12 and 10. 12 times 10 is 120. And then we have the front side of this wedge here in green, which is going to be 13 and 10. 13 times 10 is 130. And then I add those up, 60, 50, 120, and 130 for a final surface area of 360 square inches. Those are all the examples we have today for solving surface area of a triangular prism. Please check out our other surface area videos here found on our channel, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at 6Minute Math. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any topic you want to see me tackle in a future 6-minute episode. Always remember that the best way to get math is to practice math, so keep on practicing. And until next time, keep solving and evolving.